Hey everyone, want to try Prop Hunt in COD Mobile 2025? It's one of the most fun and unique game modes, and I'm here to show you how to play. So here's how the game works. One team of the players are the props, basically objects that blend into the environmental like a barrel, chair, or even a cardboard box. Your goal as a prop is to hide, survive for a certain amount of the time without getting spotted. So the other team plays as hunters. Their job is to find and eliminate all the props before the timers run out. They can shoot objects or listen for sounds to locate hide, hiding props. So let me give you a quick tip also. Like when you are a prop, keep moving and change positions occasionally, especially if you are near a hunter, but be careful, don't make yourself too obvious. That's it, it's a mix of strategy, stealth, and a little luck. If you love playing hide and seek with a twist, prop hunt is the mode for you. So go try it out and let me know how did you do in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more COD mobile tips.